This is the new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE smartphone. The FE standing for Fan Edition. But do I consider myself a fan? Let's find out. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to the channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, as you can already tell, we do indeed have the Samsung S20 FE smartphone in front of me. This is an exciting phone. Samsung basically took the Samsung S20 and made a fan edition, the FE, with a bunch of different features that I'm excited about, that you should be excited about, that we are all, or I would hope we are all excited about. But of course, new phone, new product, new unboxing. So that is what we are doing today. We are unboxing the Samsung S20 FE. So let's get into it. Quick look at the box, you will see the S20 logo with S20 FE 5G glistening on the bottom. Nothing on the right side, but we do have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G on the left side. But besides that, nothing really on top, some more model information on the bottom, and of course, a breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE on the back. But we came here for this, the unboxing. Big breath, here we go. Done. Put the unboxing knife carefully away. And now for the reveal. There it is! The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Whew. Let's take it out of the box. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now I know a lot of you are probably looking at this video right now and you're shocked. You're going, he has the cloud mint color? I know, I'm usually choosing black or white, neutral colors. But if I remember correctly, I kind of just impulse bought this. I don't think I even like double checked what color I chose. I just wanted one of these things in my hand. So I ended up with cloud mint. This is the color, but still pretty groovy color. We will get back to this in just a second. What else comes in the box? Let's take a look. We have, oh, a little divider right there. Underneath the divider, you do have your USB-C A-based wall adapter. So you have that, which of course goes with the next item in the box. Underneath this little tab right here, oh, that's nothing, that's just another divider. Underneath this part of the box right here, this is where you will indeed see something in my throat. Where's my coffee? Okay, we're good. You will see your USB-C A to USB-C cable, which is about 3 feet in length. So obviously you're gonna use this setup right here to fast charge your Samsung S20 FE. But besides that, that is it. I think, yep. I always forget this little hidden compartment in the top part of the box. This happened in the other Samsung unboxings I had in the channel. One more section. We will move everything off. Oh, that's the card, that's the charging cable, be careful with that. And now we are good to go to take a look at this top section. This is just your SIM card ejection tool, as you can see right there. We'll pop that out. Come on, there you go. We'll put that off to the side, use that in a few minutes. Also, in this little section, if you open this up, this basically just has your, what is this, a quick reference guide. So if you open that up, shows you how to turn on the phone or lets you know about it. Everything you could possibly need to know for a quick startup. You get that. You also have a little advertising sheet right here. You know, confirming what you know you already bought. This is kind of like an anti-buyer's remorse card right here, if you want to refer to it as that. And then of course, your terms and conditions. So that's it, nothing else there. That's all that comes in the box. Now let's focus on this baby right here. The Samsung S20 FE. Time to remove the cellophane. It looks like there's a tab on the back, so we will do that first. Woo-hoo-hoo! I like that finish. Samsung knows how to make a sexy phone, I tell ya. So it has a matte finish on the back, which feels really nice. And then we do have some cellophane on the front, which we could remove as well with this little tab starter right there. Here we go. Beautiful. There it is. Ooh, such a good feeling phone in your hand. I'm starting to really like this kind of design where it's curved on the back, but the front is flat. It just feels so ergonomical. It just feels right in your hand when it's designed like that. I've said it multiple times, I'll say it again because it applies here. I'm not really a fan of super curved edge displays on the front. It just kind of messes up the entire feel if you ask me. So right out of the box, I'm liking this design. You have your 3 cameras on the back, your power button and volume buttons on the right side, your SIM card on the top of the device, nothing on the left side. The left side is naked, there's nothing there. And then you do have your USB-C port on the bottom, along with what appears to be a speaker and maybe a mic input right there. So pretty awesome. And now that I'm realizing you actually have additional little cellophane pieces to remove, kind of just get these started. There's 1, there's 2. I don't think there's any on the top. No, oh, there is one. There's a little one on the top. It's still stuck to my fingernail. Boom. Completely uncellophaned. Cool little design thing here, by the way. So you have this matte back that kind of bleeds over into the edge here, but disappears on the very top and very bottom of the device. So I think that's pretty cool. It's very Samsung-esque. Don't ask me why, but it just feels like something Samsung would do, and it works. I like it. And I think when you're gripping the phone, that extended back kind of covering the side is adding to how it feels in your actual hand. I like that a lot. But without any further ado, we'll get rid of these little cellophane-y thingies. Goodbye. And we will turn this puppy on. There it is. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G secured by Knox, powered by Android. With a nice little Samsung logo right there. So the setup screen is here. I'm gonna spare you guys from the boringness of setting up the phone, so I'm gonna snap my fingers as I typically do to get this thing totally set up with the power of magic. With the power and editing, with the power of magic and editing. Ready, here we go. It's done. And here it is, the first look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G smartphone on this channel. There are so many things, so many features jam-packed into this phone that I cannot wait to put to the test. Already it's looking pretty groovy, if I do say so myself. But if you guys do not want to miss the review I will have for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, please be sure to subscribe. That way you will not miss that review video when it drops on this channel. And that is pretty much it. That is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. As always, to learn more about this puppy right here, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/S20FE, bmac.link/S20FE, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. Oh my goodness, you are so pretty. I will see you guys in my next video. And so first impressions, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is sexy. Get it? FE, sexy, FE, sexy. It's actually one of the better jokes I've ever had.